Happy 6 months, Kali!
Happy 6 months.
So, yan ang ating milk. Oh. Hello, hello!
That's me.
Catch me while you're going to jump.
Yeah.
Go.
Daddy, catch me.
Go na ah.
Daddy will not catch me.
Okay, Daddy will catch you. Oopsie! Yeah! Happy 6 months, Kali! Look ah! Kali! Ayaw ah! Oh, si Kais na lang. Yung say happy 6
Happy
months,
6
Kali!
months.
Stop holding
Happy 6
this.
months.
Happy 6 months.
So, yan. So, ready na yung pang photoshoot niya, oh. Yan, oh. Magsi 6 months. Photoshoot na kami. Tapos, magsusolid na si Kali. Anong kakainin mo, Kali? Ha? Kakain si Kali ng Japanese potato.
You're excited
So, yan.
Excited
Kahapon bumili kami ng Japanese potato. Ayan. O, later na lang. Magpo-photoshoot na si Bebe. Orange ang team niya ngayon eh. Orange.
Daddy,
Okay. So, yan. Happy 6 months, love.
fall down on
Happy
you
6
now.
months. Ay, sus. Ay, sus. Yan. So, Kali is ready na. Ang monthly jacket ni Kali. Oh. So, yan po. Si Kuya na makulit.
Si Kuya makulit.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Ibo ni Kali, oh. Ano na, Kali? Ano na, Kuya? So, Kuya will help us open the freezer.
Please.
Ito ang ating freezer para sa ating stored milk. Okay.
Thank you, Kuya.
So, yan ang ating milk. Oh. Dahil nag-RTO si Mami, needs mag-ipon for Kali. So, yan. So, first in, first out. So, ito ang ating milk for today. Dahil isasama natin sa food ni Kali. Right, Kuya?
Right.
Right. O, close na, close na. Kali is ready to eat na. Ready to eat na ang Kali. Ay, sus. Oopsie. Hindi na makapaghintay si Kali, oh. Kuya, oh. Si Kuya, oh. Kuya, what are you doing? Huh?
I'm racing.
Racing? Kanina? This is the sweet potato. Binili namin to sa Tagaytay. Yan, Japanese sweet potato.
Oh.
Wow! Nagulat si Kali. You're happy, Kali. Nagulat siya eh. That's okay, love. Oh! Oh! What's that, Kali? Ha? Nagugulat si Kali ah.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, so here's the sweet potato na ni Kali.
No, he's eating.
What? She's eating? That's okay. Okay lang yan, kuya.
No.
No, You want to try din itong sweet potato, kuya?
I want Daddy to try.
Yeah, Kali will try. Oh, so ano lang natin to, imamash. Then mag-a-add tayo ng milk. Yan, so ito ang ating milk. So ready na ang sweet potato ni Kalia. Ready na si Kali. Go, Kali.
Hindi yan, be.
Hindi yan, be. Oopsie. Yummy? Si kuya, oh. Yummy, Kali?
That's too tight.
Yummy, Kali, yummy? Gusto niya.
Ang kuya.
Yummy. Kuya, oh, here's yours, oh.
That's the plate.
Yeah. Let Kali explore the food. Go, Kali. Go. Go, ah.
I feel I'm tired. I feel I'm tired.
Na-explore pa ni Kali yung food, oh. Nilagay na namin sa table niya para hindi na siya mahirapan. This one? You want this one?
Daddy, I'll go down.
Wow.
Yeah, sorry.
Once milk pala siya, eh.
Yummy milk.
Yeah. Nauuhaw pala.
Milk pa din, be.
Yeah. Mommy's milk pa din, Kali. You like mommy's milk? So, yan po. Ang first solid ni Kali. Hindi niya masyadong nagustuhan unlike si Kuya. Kuya, you like the sweet potato? Yeah?
Oh, I like you to make clay that.
You like your sweet potato, Kuya? You want to try again?
Later
Later na?
na. I like Daddy to make it clay.
Mag-milk muna si Kali. Say bye-bye next time again. That's my first solid. Yeah.